Guys, we are discussing upon the biggest myth about Canadian immigration process, which is related to the dual intent, which means if you are having your PR application under the process, then you cannot apply for a temporary residential visa. For example, the visitor visa. So welcome back to our channel. My name is Akash. I'm associated with Winnie Immigration as an immigration advisor. And before starting this video, I would like to request you all to please subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from Winnie Immigration. So let's begin. So now, what is dual intent? If the person is having his or her file under the permanent residential visa process and the same person wants to enter the Canada on the temporary residential visa such as visitor visa, then this is known as the dual intent. So now the question is, can I apply for a TRV visa if I am having my file already under the process of permanent residential visa, or it will create any conflict in the mind of the officer? Then the simple answer is yes, you can apply for a TRV visa whatsoever if you are having your file under the PR process, it doesn't matter. It was cleared on the web page of IRCC by the members of IRCC that if person wants to apply with the dual intent, obviously he or she can apply for both the type of visas. So now IRCC have clearly stated that having a dual intent is not at all an issue, and also officer will not find it on the ground of refusal unless and until person can prove that government or the IRCC that they will leave Canada at the end of, or you can say on or before the end of your TRV, that is temporary residential visa. So now for example, if you are having your PR application under the process and you want to enter in Canada on the basis of TRV, you can say it on the basis on visitor visa. Then whenever you apply for visitor visa, you will be getting 6 months of time period on that visitor visa. So you have to prove that officer that you will be leaving Canada on or before that 6 months before ending of that TRV. So for assessing your dual intent, few factors will be taken into the consideration by the officers, which are, the first one is the length of the time for which you are planning to stay in Canada. The second one is means of support, from where the money is coming, from where you are arranging the accommodation, your stays. Okay. The third factor will be obligations to your home country. The fourth factor will be your proposed stay. And the fifth factor will be past compliances with the requirement of IRPA, which is the Immigration Act. So coming back to the conclusion of today's video, that if you are having your PR application into the process and also if you want to enter Canada on the TRV basis, then obviously you can enter your file, you can put your file, and also just all you need to do is you have to prove that particular officer that you will be leaving Canada on or before end of your TRV date. So that's it about today's video. If you want to get in touch with us, you can call us on our toll free number, that is 1800-419-3242. Also you can write down to us on enquiry@winnieimmigration.com. Thank you.